What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in once again to another video. In this video, we're going to do a small exciting install that helps protect the car a little bit better and make it look a little nicer. We got some film for both the Tacoma and the Type R, and this film right here from Screen Protect will actually protect your cluster and your radio screen and keep it away from scratches, from dust. I don't know about you guys, I absolutely hate seeing scratches in the light on the radio, on the cluster. This will actually also cover that. So not only will you protect your current screen, you can also cover some of those scratches up. They do come with some QR codes for instructions. Definitely make sure you read these and carefully, like actually read them, because one little mess up can mess up the whole film. And you don't want to do that. I mean, it's not just a regular iPhone screen protector that you're installing here. This is actually very, very detailed and very important for you to check out and read before doing any install on any car that you have. So let's get these opened up. If you guys think I'm joking, you guys can tell how serious they are about people reading instructions. There's a QR code right here. There's a QR code right here. Came with a little paper. So make sure you read the instructions. So it comes with a nice little spray bottle that you put in water and soap in. So that's cool that they actually provide that. And then we got the films here, and also comes with a nice little cloth that you use to clean off before you put this install on. This looks like it's the Tacoma one. One thing that's also awesome is this already has soap in here. So all you do is just add warm water and you're good to go. So this company is awesome. Like, they have everything. I'm pretty sure there should be a little squeegee in here. Yep, there's a little squeegee in here too. Like, look at that. And this cloth is super nice as well. Yeah, really good company. So let's go put some water in here and continue. All right, so same concept here. We're gonna need to clean this up and clean that up. This one's gonna be a lot easier. And what's nice with Protect, they also include a little screen for this right here on the shifter as well. So that's super nice. So we got three pieces. We got this, we got the radio, and we got the cluster. If you could see on the cluster, there's some bad scratches right there. I know it might be kind of hard to tell, but those are all scratches. Let's see the screen protector do its magic and cover up those scratches. So for the Tacoma, this all comes as one piece right here. So this should be pretty straightforward. We just gotta slide it on here. As always, guys, make sure you clean up the dust and then spray the back with some warm water. Don't miss any spots. Let's get this installed. And we are all done. Look how beautiful that turned out. You can even see my reflection, but You could barely tell that the protector is even on there. I kind of didn't do the best job at aligning it, but this looks awesome, and you can't see that sun faded scratches on there at all. I'm gonna try like every angle, but you cannot see those at all. That's awesome. Now let's check out the cluster and see how those scratches at the bottom got covered. So on the cluster, I don't know if you guys remember the scratches that were underneath there. Looked super ugly. Can't even tell they're there. How awesome does that look? See if I can lower the brightness, make it look a little bit more visible. Look at that. Can't tell there was any scratches there ever. There is some slight bubbles that are still going away, but I'm sure with some more heat, they'll go away a little bit quicker, but there's like very small ones that I kind of messed up on. But you guys will probably do a better job installing it and getting minimal bubbles, but I'll just wait till these get away with the heat. But look at that, man. I'm so happy about this because the cluster looked so ugly. Just looking at it driving, you could see the scratches in the sunlight. Now you can't even tell they're there. Yeah, I really recommend these products, guys. It just makes the car look so much nicer, so much cleaner, and it protects if you've never had scratches. Protects from future scratches because those get scratched so easy with dust landing on there, and you wipe off that dust and you scratch the screens. But now we don't have to worry about that. Awesome. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that install. Those little bubbles on there, they will eventually go away. But if you guys like that product, go check them out. I'll have the link in the description down below. I'm stoked. I really get irritated by the scratches on the screen and on the cluster, and I'm glad that completely eliminated. You can't even see the scratches on there anymore. The bubbles are going to bother me for a little bit, but they'll eventually go away. It's not a big deal. If they don't, I'll let you guys know, but I'm pretty sure they will. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video when we're going to be starting the overland build on the Tacoma. So stay tuned for that. Have a good one.